Why are there so many Porsche models, and what do all those letters and numbers even mean? From the legendary 911 to the electric Taycan, Porsche's lineup may seem simple at first, but there's a hidden system behind every badge. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just Porsche curious, this breakdown will make it all click. Stick around as we explain every Porsche model from 2021 in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. Porsche pronunciation and naming basics. Before diving into the cars, let's clear up the pronunciation first. It's Porsche, not Porsche. Now, about their naming system. It's quite different from other German luxury brands like Mercedes or BMW. Porsche only has 6 main models, but their names include letters and numbers that tell you a lot. For example, S means extra power, 4 means all-wheel drive, and turbo is for their fastest versions. Understanding these will help you know exactly what kind of Porsche you're looking at. The Porsche 718. The 718 is Porsche's smallest and most affordable sports car. It comes as the Cayman, a hardtop coupe, or the Boxster, a convertible. Both are mid-engined and have a flat-4 engine, but higher trims get a powerful flat-6. Variants include the T, S, GTS, and the track-focused GT4. The fastest 718 models deliver up to 400 horsepower and can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds. It's perfect for those wanting Porsche's sportiness in a smaller package. The iconic Porsche 911. The 911 is the Porsche everyone knows and loves. It's a slightly bigger 2+2 coupe, meaning it has 2 small rear seats. The standard model is the Carrera, powered by a twin-turbo 6-cylinder engine in the rear. You can get it as a coupe, convertible, called cabriolet, or the special Targa, with a unique roof. Variants range from the base to the powerful Turbo S, which rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.7 seconds, showing why it's a true sports car legend. The luxurious Porsche Panamera sedan. If you want a Porsche with more space and comfort, the Panamera is their large sedan. It seats 5 adults and offers much more room for luggage. The Panamera lineup covers almost every Porsche performance badge except the Touring T. It's fast too, with the top models reaching 100 kilometers per hour in about 3.1 seconds. This car is perfect if you want Porsche style and power, but also need a practical, everyday car. Porsche Taycan. Porsche's newest model, the Taycan, is their first fully electric car. It's a sleek, sporty sedan with dual electric motors for all-wheel drive. The Taycan comes in S and turbo versions, even though turbo here means power, not a turbocharger. With a 93 kilowatt-hour battery, it produces up to 761 horsepower and goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.8 seconds. It can travel up to 484 kilometers on a single charge, proving electric cars can be exciting too. Porsche Macan and Cayenne SUVs. Porsche also makes 2 SUVs, the smaller Macan and the larger Cayenne. Both seat 5 and come with all-wheel drive. They offer S, GTS, and turbo versions for different performance levels. The Cayenne is more powerful with a twin-turbo V8 and even an e-hybrid option for better fuel economy. There's also a coupe-style Cayenne for a sportier look. These SUVs combine Porsche's famous driving feel with the space and comfort of an SUV. What the letters and numbers mean. Porsche uses letters and numbers to show a car's features. 4 means all-wheel drive, S adds more power, and GTS is sportier. Turbo models are the fastest. GT cars like GT3 focus on racing. E-hybrid means a mix of electric and gas power for better efficiency. Now that you know every Porsche model from 2021 and what their names really mean, you're officially one step closer to being a Porsche expert. Whether it's the thrilling 911, the electric Taycan, or the versatile Cayenne, Porsche has something for every type of driver. If you found this video helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe for more simple car breakdowns. Let us know your favorite Porsche in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep loving those cars.